Hey food lovers, ready to take your taste buds on a wild ride through the vibrant streets of Vietnam? Let's dive into some of the most mouth-watering street foods you absolutely must try. First up, we have, imagine a crispy baguette packed with savory meats, pickled veggies, fresh herbs, and a drizzle of spicy mayo. It's basically a flavor explosion in every bite. Next, let's talk. This iconic Vietnamese noodle soup is all about that rich, aromatic broth. Packed with tender beef or chicken, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lime. It's comfort food at its finest. Ever heard of? Think smoky grilled pork served with vermicelli noodles, fresh greens, and a tangy dipping sauce. It's a symphony of flavors and textures. Now for the daring foodies, it's a fertilized duck egg that's boiled and eaten straight from the shell. It's definitely an acquired taste, but hey, when in Vietnam, right? Can't miss out on fresh spring rolls. These are packed with shrimp, pork, and fresh herbs, all wrapped up in rice paper. Dip them in some peanut sauce and you're in for a treat. And of course, this is a sweet dessert soup that comes in endless variations. Think mung beans, coconut milk, fruit, and jelly. It's a perfect end to any street food adventure. Vietnamese street food isn't just about eating, it's about the experience. The bustling markets, the sizzling grills, and the friendly vendors all add to the magic. So next time you're in Vietnam, don't just stick to restaurants. Hit the streets, try something new, and let the flavors of Vietnam blow your mind. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this foodie adventure. See you in the next video.